Si Papa lakas. Peppa Pig.
Choose a slot to use for this game. Why not try a dot-to-dot? Talking Parrot. Peppa and George love to play with Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 10. Press the squares to make a silly sentence and then touch the tick box. Polly Parrot will repeat everything that she hears. Peppa Pig is a happy frog.
Peppa Pig is a happy frog.
Try another one. Daddy Pig is a funny banana.
Daddy Pig is a funny banana.
Try another one. Rebecca Rabbit is a big pumpkin.
Rebecca Rabbit is a big pumpkin.
Try another one. Pedro Pony is a yellow yo-yo.
Pedro Pony is a yellow yo-yo.
Try another one. George is a big chicken.
George is a big chicken.
Try another one. Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Dot to dot. Peppa and George love to play dot to dot. You can win a sticker for every picture you complete. Touch the numbers in the correct order to complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Well done. You've won a sticker. Well done. Are you sure? You can win a sticker for every picture you complete. Touch the flashing star and draw a line to the next one. Well done. You've won a sticker. Are you sure? You can win a sticker for every picture you complete. There are lots of fun games to play here. Where's Polly? Oh dear. Where's Polly? Help Peppa and George find Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 10 times you find Polly. Move through the house and garden to find Polly. Touch all the objects to find where she is hiding. You've found her. Where has Polly gone this time? Try the garden. Where could she be? Try the garden. You found Polly. Where has Polly gone this time? Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Matching pairs. Peppa and George love to play. Match all the pairs to win a sticker. Touch the cards to make a pair. Zoe Zebra. That's it. Mr. Dinosaur. Danny Dog. Danny Dog. Great. Mr. Dinosaur. Great. Well done. You've won a sticker. Well done. You matched all the pairs.
Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.
Choose a slot to use for this game. Peppa Pig's Sports Day. Choose an event from the Sports Day. Ice cream maker. Help Madame Gazelle to make some delicious ice cream. Touch egg. Sugar. Milk. Cream. Move the whisk to mix all the ingredients together. That's it, keep mixing. You have made the ice cream. Now choose 2 of your favorite flavors. Strawberry. Now add another flavor. Banana. Now move the spoon to mix it all together. That's it, keep mixing. What a lovely colour. Touch the ice cream machine to pour in the mixture. Only Madame Gazelle can turn on the ice cream maker. Madame Gazelle has turned on the ice cream maker for you. Choose a container for your ice cream. Touch the machine to pour the ice cream into the cone. Touch the sauce you want to add to your ice cream. White chocolate. Touch and drag your favourite toppings onto your ice cream. That looks delicious. Now let's add some decorations to make your ice cream extra special. Touch and drag your favourite decorations onto your ice cream. What a lovely ice cream. Well done, you've won a sticker. All finished and ready to eat. Choose an event from the Sports Day to get playing. Making rosettes. Choose your rosette shape. Choose the ribbons for your rosette. Touch the tick box when you have made your choice. Choose a fun pattern for your rosette. Touch the tick box when you have made your choice. Choose a colour for your rosette. Touch the tick box when you have choose another colour for your rosette. Touch the tick box when you have touch the tick box when you are happy with your rosette. Well done! You've created your very own rosette. Play Sports Day and look out for your rosette. Choose an event from the Sports Day. Make a lovely picture. What lovely pictures! What lovely pictures! Make a lovely... Choose an event from the Sports Day to get play. It's time for the bicycle race. Lightly tap your button as fast as you can to pedal your... Choose the characters for this game. Madame Gazelle is starting the race. Ready, steady, go! The ground is getting quite steep now. There's Peppa's house. You don't need to pedal as hard going downhill. There's Grandad Dog working at the garage. Pedal faster to go up the hills. The fun fair is in town. It's neck and neck. The finish line is close now, so pedal as hard as you can. It is the end of another exciting race. Well done, everybody. Susie Sheep is in the lead. Well done. You've won a sticker. Choose an event from the